African locust beans, popularly known as Iru in Yoruba, Ogiri in Igbo, Dawa Dawa in Hausa, is one of the amazing ingredients that brings out the sweetening in the soup that will cook, from vegetable to ewedu, okra, and so on, even when you are making stew or rice or anything. But what is the process of making this happen? It takes a period of more than 3 days to make this amazing locust beans, from cooking to peeling to washing, picking, and fermentation. All is what happens behind the scene of what we enjoy baking every day. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something entirely different, something I've not done before, and that is showing you this process of making one of the common cooking ingredients in Nigeria, mostly used by everyone in Nigeria and even those in the diaspora, and that is Iru in Yoruba, popularly known as locust beans in English. This process takes from like 3 days upward to like 5 days, depending on how fast your process is. I'm going to be showing you how locust beans is being made, what you need, what are the ingredients, and the things that you need to do. So if you're ready, let's go. The major thing that you are going to need to make this happen is the seed, which we call Igiri in Yoruba. This is it. If you can see how dry it is. So this is what you will need to make it happen, and like I said, it's a process that takes like 4 days. And once you have this, what you do is you are going to boil it, put it on fire for at least 16 hours. So sometimes there are people that do like 24 hours or even 48 hours, depending on how well you put fire into it. That's a process that takes longer to make. It has to be very soft before you remove it from fire. So once that is done, then you move to the next step I'm going to be showing you. So put this on fire for at least 16 hours. Make sure that it's very dry before you remove it on fire. Maybe you're starting the process on a Saturday, you can put it on fire from like 6 o'clock in the morning. Increase the temperature of the fire, and if you don't want to increase the temperature of the fire, you can leave it as low as possible. Leave it to like evening, off the fire, then the next day again start the process again. But make sure that by the time you open it, it should be able to be peeling it off before you now take it out of the water to move to the next stage. The second thing that you need to do after boiling it for at least 16 hours, that's the most important process out of the whole locust bean making process, and that is peeling it. Like I said, before you take it out of the water, you have to see that the locust bean seed is very soft, and you can easily peel it with your hand. If you can't do that, that means you still have to put more fire into it and make it boil. So what you need to do is you have to now peel it. There are peeling machines that people use to make this happen, but if you are someone that cannot afford that peeling machine, what you can do is you go the local way where people use their leg to actually peel it from beginning into the end. This process can take as long as you could think of, depending on the quantity you are doing. So it can take like more than 45 minutes. So this process is very tedious because you have to make sure that you are able to peel it so there is nothing left to be peeled. So this process is tedious and is the most important thing that can delay the process of doing this thing. Peel it so well, then you move to the next stage of washing it. So the washing process is like 2 different times. You have to wash it the first time, then wash it the second time. This process is very important again because you don't want sand to be in the locust beans. The next step in the process of making these locust beans is more or less like the most difficult part, because you have to start picking the washed locust beans one after the other before you even go to the next step of putting it into the water, into the hot water again. So you have to pick all the dirt, like all the dirt from it, separate the dirt, separate the hard ones, the hard seeds, something like this. You have to separate it as well. So this can take hours if you are just new. So something like this, I don't know if you can see. You can see that it's different from this. So you have to separate that. You have to pick it one after the other. those that are experts in this, they can do that in like as fast as you could think of. But for newbie, you have to be very careful because you don't want to take when you finish it. So after this process of cooking, then you have to go to the next step, which is putting it inside the hot water for the second time again. So you want to prepare that for fermentation now. This is where we put it. At this stage, no other water should touch it except the water that is in it. It's past 7 p.m. so it's not easy putting this together. You want to remove all the water in there. So, transferring from the pot to the sheet.